Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I am going to show you if your computer is getting locked automatically. So I will show you how you can fix that issue. Before going ahead, I want to request you, if you are a new user for my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you can get the new videos notification. Let us start now how you can fix that issue if your computer is getting locked automatically. So you need to click on the here, type here to search and type here control. Click on the control panel, power option, and then click on the change plan setting. And after that, you will see the option change advanced power setting. So here you need to click and then scroll down. Need to expand this option battery. Select this, click on plus button. Just need to expand, and there is option low battery action. Expand this also, click on the plus button. Here you can see the on battery, do nothing, plug in, do nothing. So in your case, if your computer is getting locked automatically, there will be a hibernate option. So just you need to select, if hibernate or sleep or any other option is selected here, so just you need to select do nothing and do nothing. If there is any other option selected here, and after that just click on apply. Okay, once you will change these settings, your computer automatic lockout issue will be resolved. So guys, in this way you can resolve your issue. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. So again, I will request you to please subscribe, like, and share with your friends. Thanks, bye bye.